Tell me how you wouldn't have a wonderful holiday with this super yummy recipe. So my flour, I had my sugar, my baking powder, salt, yeast. The full recipe will be in the description section. A little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of cinnamon, and my signature natural milk flavor, and of course vanilla flavor. After that, I mixed my flour together and added banana. Yes, I added about 2 medium-sized banana. So I wanted to crush it, but it was not crushing, so I had to use my blender. So you don't need to blend it too smooth. So after then, I poured it into my flour and made my dough. I added a little egg and of course Tigernut milk. This recipe was so delicious and it is nutritious. It's healthy, it's nutritious, it's delicious. Oh my god. So I added my margarine and kept on kneading. So I decided that okay, I want to make some shape. It's something different from the normal way of making bread buns. So I was trying it out, so it wasn't that easy. It wasn't that easy, but I was able to make something. If you have watched it this moment, thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I don't know, I just made something and and then I wanted to make a croissant shape also, and the weaving it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be, but at the end of the day I had to just do the regular way of making my bread buns. You should try out this recipe because it was nice, it was delicious, and at this point I just had to do the regular way of making the bread buns because oh my god, I was tired. I was like, who sent me? Thank you so much for watching. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. If you're a new viewer and you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe because I have so much amazing recipe on my channel. So I allowed it to proof a little bit and then I went ahead to fry. After frying, this is what I got. So you should get a slightly dark colored dough because of the banana. It will change the color of the dough, but anyway, it is still nice, it is still cool, it is still yummy, and the appearance is not that bad. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you. You should try out this recipe for holiday, for Christmas, for New Year. Thank you. See you next time.